6 months ago, a driver came into my workshop with his Toyota pickup truck that had over 480,000 miles on the original engine and transmission. At first, I honestly thought the odometer had been replaced because the truck still sounded smoother than some vehicles with only 100,000 miles. There was no engine knocking, no transmission slipping, and even the cold start sounded incredibly healthy. So I asked him, "What's your secret?" And his answer completely changed the conversation. He said, "I just followed the way we maintain cars back in Japan." That's when things got interesting. He told me all of those tricks that he tried on his Toyota pickup, and I wrote them down in my notebook. Then I tried those tricks on my own car, and the results shocked me. Right now, my car has 30,000 miles on the odometer, and it is still running with its original engine. In this video, I'm going to share those Japanese tricks that will also help you make your car last over 500,000 miles. Let's start with one of the most powerful but overlooked practices. Trick number 11, Shizuka warm-up method. In Japan, one of the most strictly followed habits is controlled engine warm-up, and it's rooted in hard mechanical facts rather than tradition. Studies in tribology show that nearly 60 to 75% of total engine wear occurs during cold starts, when oil has not yet fully circulated. Japanese drivers counter this by allowing the engine to idle for 30 to 60 seconds before moving, ensuring that oil pressure stabilizes and reaches critical components like cam lobes, crank bearings, and piston skirts. But the real technique goes further. They maintain low RPM driving for the first 3 to 5 minutes, which reduces metal expansion stress and uneven thermal loading. When engines are pushed hard while cold, the internal clearances are not yet optimal, that lead to microscoring and long-term wear. By contrast, gradual warm-up can reduce early life engine wear by up to 40%, according to automotive lubrication studies. Over 200,000 miles, that difference compounds massively, often being the reason one engine fails early, while another keeps running smoothly past 400,000 miles. Trick number 10, the Kaizen oil strategy. Now, let's talk about a method that sounds simple but is extremely powerful. The Kaizen oil strategy. Japanese car owners rarely rely on fixed oil change intervals, because they understand that engine oil degradation is not linear. It depends heavily on usage patterns. Research shows that short trips under 10 minutes can degrade engine oil up to 2 times faster due to incomplete combustion and moisture buildup inside the crankcase. Instead of following a generic 5,000 or 10,000 mile rule, Japanese drivers adapt their oil changes based on driving stress, temperature, and load conditions. This Kaizen-based approach ensures oil is always within optimal viscosity and additive performance range. According to industry testing, high-quality synthetic oils, combined with OEM-grade filters, can reduce engine deposits by up to 30% compared to low-quality alternatives. Additionally, maintaining clean oil reduces friction losses, which improves fuel economy by approximately 1 to 2%. But more importantly, it prevents sludge formation, that is the #1 silent engine killer. Trick number 9. Change transmission fluid every 60,000 miles. One of the biggest myths in the automotive world is the phrase lifetime transmission fluid. Transmission specialists constantly warn drivers that no fluid lasts forever because heat eventually destroys the fluid's protective properties. Because automatic transmissions generate enormous heat and pressure every time the car moves, especially during towing, stop-and-go traffic, and aggressive acceleration. Japanese drivers understand that regular drain and fill services are one of the biggest secrets behind transmissions surviving beyond 300,000 or even 500,000 miles. Replacing transmission fluid around every 60,000 miles helps remove metal particles, worn clutch material, and contaminants before they cause internal damage. Fresh fluid also restores proper lubrication and cooling performance inside the transmission. A simple transmission service costing a few $100s can prevent a replacement bill worth several $1,000s. Smooth shifting, long-lasting vehicles almost always belong to owners who treated transmission maintenance seriously from the beginning. Trick number 8. Coolant flush. Engine temperature control is one of the most critical factors in vehicle longevity. Coolant does far more than simply prevent overheating. It also protects the engine from internal corrosion, lubricates the water pump, prevents freezing in winter, and controls extreme engine temperatures during heavy driving. Over time, coolant additives break down, and the fluid becomes acidic, which slowly damages radiators, heater cores, water pumps, and head gaskets from the inside. Therefore, Japanese drivers treat coolant as a critical protective fluid, ensuring that it remains clean and chemically stable. In Japan, coolant is not just topped off. It is fully flushed and replaced at proper intervals, typically every 40,000 to 60,000 miles. During a coolant flush, old contaminated coolant is removed and replaced with fresh coolant that restores corrosion protection and heat transfer efficiency. Over the long term, this simple maintenance step plays a massive role in preserving engine integrity and ensuring consistent performance across hundreds of thousands of miles. Trick number 7. The Zanshin driving philosophy. Driving behavior has a direct and measurable impact on engine longevity, and Japanese drivers apply the Zanshin philosophy to maintain mechanical harmony. Aggressive acceleration can increase cylinder pressure by up to 50%. That puts extreme stress on pistons, connecting rods, and crankshaft bearings. Similarly, harsh braking transfers excessive load to the drivetrain and suspension. But Japanese drivers avoid these extremes by maintaining steady throttle input and anticipating road conditions ahead. Studies in eco-driving programs have shown that smooth driving can reduce drivetrain wear by up to 25% and improve fuel efficiency by 10 to 20%. More importantly, consistent engine load reduces thermal cycling, which is a major cause of metal fatigue over time. Engines that operate under stable conditions experience fewer expansion and contraction cycles, preserving internal tolerances. Over hundreds of thousands of miles, this results in significantly less wear on critical components, making smooth driving one of the most powerful yet underestimated techniques for long-term reliability. Trick number 6. The thermal balance shutdown. Heat management is one of the most overlooked aspects of engine longevity, yet it plays a critical role in preventing long-term damage. After extended driving, especially at highway speeds, engine temperatures can exceed 90 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius, while localized hotspots in components like the turbocharger or cylinder head can be even higher. If the engine is shut off immediately, oil circulation stops, trapping heat inside and causing what's known as heat soak. This can degrade engine oil, leading to carbon deposits and reduced lubrication effectiveness. However, Japanese drivers avoid this by letting the engine idle for about 30 seconds before shutdown. That allows the engine temperature to normalize gradually. This simple step can reduce oil oxidation rates and prevent seal hardening, which is a common cause of oil leaks in high-mileage engines. Over time, consistent thermal management helps maintain gasket integrity, reduces internal deposits, and significantly extends engine life. Now, let's move to a maintenance secret that professionals swear by. Trick number 5. Preventive inspection culture. One of the biggest differences in Japanese car ownership is the proactive approach to maintenance. Instead of waiting for failure, drivers perform regular inspections to catch issues early. Statistics show that over 70% of major engine failures are caused by small, preventable issues, such as coolant leaks, worn belts, or low oil levels. Japanese drivers routinely check fluid conditions, inspect hoses for cracks, and listen for unusual engine sounds. This attention to detail allows them to fix minor problems before they escalate into costly repairs. For example, replacing a worn timing belt at the right time can prevent catastrophic engine damage that could otherwise destroy the entire engine. Similarly, preventive maintenance also ensures that all systems operate within optimal parameters, reducing unnecessary stress on components. Over the lifespan of a vehicle, this habit alone can save thousands of dollars and add minimum 200,000 miles to your engine life. Trick number 4. ECU Learning Reset Awareness. Modern vehicles like Toyota, Honda, and BMW rely heavily on adaptive learning systems within the engine control unit, which continuously adjust parameters based on driving behavior. However, over time, inefficient driving patterns can cause the ECU to adopt suboptimal settings that affect engine performance and efficiency. Japanese drivers understand this and occasionally reset or recalibrate the ECU, especially after maintenance or when performance declines. This allows the system to relearn optimal fuel trims, throttle response, and transmission behavior. Studies have shown that recalibrated ECUs can improve fuel efficiency by up to 5% and restore lost performance. More importantly, optimized engine management reduces unnecessary strain on components, ensuring smoother operation. While this method is less commonly known, but it plays a crucial role in maintaining long-term engine health in modern vehicles. Trick number 3. Clean fuel system discipline. Fuel quality and system cleanliness have a direct impact on engine efficiency and durability. Poor fuel quality can lead to carbon buildup in injectors and intake valves, which disrupts fuel atomization and causes incomplete combustion. Studies show that dirty fuel injectors can reduce engine efficiency by up to 15%, while also increasing engine knock and emissions. Japanese drivers counter this by consistently using high-quality fuel and occasionally applying fuel system cleaners to maintain injector performance. Clean combustion reduces carbon deposits inside the engine, preventing issues like valve sticking and piston ring wear. Additionally, proper fuel atomization ensures even combustion across cylinders, reducing stress on engine components. Over time, this results in smoother operation, better fuel economy, and significantly reduced long-term wear. Engines that maintain clean fuel systems are far more likely to achieve extreme mileage without major internal repairs. Trick number 2. The brake hold efficiency technique. One overlooked contributor to engine strain is how drivers handle stops in traffic. In Japan, many drivers use features like brake hold systems, or maintain firm brake pressure instead of constantly creeping forward. However, this may seem unrelated to engine life, but it actually reduces unnecessary load cycles on the transmission and engine. Constant stop-and-go creeping forces the engine to repeatedly transition between idle and load conditions, increasing fuel consumption and wear. Studies in urban driving environments show that minimizing micro-movements in traffic can reduce drivetrain stress by up to 15%. Japanese drivers also avoid two-foot driving habits that keep slight pressure on the accelerator while braking, which can strain engine mounts and drivetrain components. By maintaining stable stops and controlled movement, they reduce unnecessary energy transfer through the system. Over time, this contributes to smoother operation, less transmission wear, and reduced engine load fluctuations. Trick number 1. Shaken system. In Japan, every car must pass a mandatory inspection system known as shaken, and this is one of the biggest reasons their vehicles stay in near-perfect condition for years. Unlike basic inspections in many countries, shaken is extremely detailed and checks everything, from engine performance and emissions to suspension, brakes, underbody condition, and fluid leaks. Typically required every 2 to 3 years, it forces owners to fix even the smallest issues before they become serious problems. This system also ensures that worn-out parts are replaced proactively, not reactively. As a result, vehicles are always operating within optimal mechanical condition. However, some owners in Japan choose to sell their cars due to high shake-in costs. But those who maintain them properly end up with incredibly reliable, long-lasting machines. It's not just an inspection. It's a system that enforces discipline and prevents neglect. So, there you have it. If you start applying these Japanese methods today, you are not just maintaining your car, you are fundamentally changing its future. Over time, these small, consistent actions compound into massive results, turning an average vehicle into a 500,000-mile legend.